Hey everyone, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video from My Creative Scrapbook. Today I am using the January main kit. This beautiful kit features the Simple Stories Feelin Frosty collection. So I live in Minnesota and I had a ton of beautiful snowy pictures that were recently taken at the Hanson Tree Farm when we went to cut down our Christmas tree. We got to the tree farm the morning after a snowfall, so there was fresh snow on the ground. The trees were covered with snow. It was gorgeous. We took our dog Princeton along with us, and he had fun running among the trees as well. And we just happened upon the perfect tree and cut it down and brought it home. Every month, My Creative Scrapbook receives a sketch from Laura Whitaker. I'm using the sketch on this layout. So it has 4 photos, and I had lots of pictures from us cutting down the tree, so it worked out perfect. And they're smaller photos. I sometimes like to use bigger photos because that puts emphasis more on the photo, but using lots of photos kind of tells the story. We are here posing for our family photo, the 2 of us in Princeton, and then walking to find our tree and then spotting the tree, and then after my husband cut it down. So it kind of tells the story right there. I decided for my background to use the wood grain paper since we are at a tree farm. I put a border along the bottom and used a snowflake border punch. So I put some white cardstock behind the snowflakes so that they would appear white, and then used that striped paper. I tore the striped paper to put above that. There's a white piece of cardstock underneath my photos, and I also tore this. So I like the fact that the torn paper reminds me of piles of snow. I followed this sketch pretty closely. There was one tag above the photos in the sketch. I altered that a little bit by adding 3. I used a pink strip going down on the right side, and using the pink border on the bottom kind of ties it all together. There are lots of fun embellishments that can be used in this collection. That truck with the tree in the back was perfect for these photos, so I put that on that border strip along the bottom. I added a photo tab alongside. I put a phrase sticker on top of that. I think it says "so much fun." Lots of trees in the collection that can be used for embellishing. So I used a combination of stickers, and there are puffy stickers in this collection as well that were included in the kit. And that's real fun because then it adds some dimension to your layout. So while the green trees I put on here are flat to the page, that pink one stands out a little bit. Going through the phrase stickers, I also found "Walking in a Winter Wonderland" and placed that on my main photo. So I kind of thought I needed to do some embellishing up by the tags in the upper right. So I found some sprigs of holly that I put up there. Another variation from the sketch that I did is I moved the title. These puffy stickers are large. I didn't want to stick them on the left side. I put them on the right side because I had more room there to work with. There's Snow Fun from the puffy stickers. Then I moved the trees over to be with the Snow Fun to give them a little more emphasis. But then I grabbed another sticker. It is a moose, and I stuck him behind my photo on that side where the trees were. I still thought I needed to do something more here for my title. So there's this cute polar bear head that I stuck in above my snow fun. He is just adorable. Then one of the last things I'm going to do is I have some chalkboard spray mist, and it is from Tattered Angels, and splattered over that wood grain background it makes it look like snow, and it has this really shimmery effect as well, so it's really pretty. I want to put some hemp twine in the holes of the tags on my layout. I'll use my bow easy to tie a bow to place on the middle tag, and then I'll just string those other pieces of twine into the other tags. So I had previously tied this bow with my bow easy, so you don't see it on this video, but I use this tool a lot. It's one of my favorite tools. I put bows on a lot of my layouts. So you can check out another one of my videos if you want to see how to use it. It's really simple, and you can pick up a bow easy on Amazon. I also wanted to add in some snowflakes because this is a winter scene. So what I had done is when I took my border snowflake punch to that pink paper, I saved the snowflakes so that I could go back at the end and glue them back on here. What's nice is that on the back side of that pink was a soft blue pattern paper, so I can use these either as pink or as blue snowflakes to put on here. I am using my fine line glue bottle to add these snowflakes on. The fine line glue bottle is another tool I picked up on Amazon that I absolutely love. It has a really fine needle nose tip that for me has never clogged, and you can put your favorite adhesive into the bottle. Well, there's my layout. Thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all of the kits at My Creative Scrapbook. In addition to the main kit, which I am using, they have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and a album kit. Bye-bye now.